up, guys? Back to another video on the I said, who's got the direction? The direction. I don't even know where it is. You want to get there?
I'm wearing my merch. He's wearing it. He's wearing it too. On the V4R and the R1. Today was my first time seeing it. I miss riding this bike. It just does everything so nicely. I definitely came to the conclusion that the Fireblade definitely feels faster, more aggressive, sharper, but this one was just so like smooth and pure. I got half a tank, I should be good.
Huh?
Turn around.
What?
I was just trying to show it. I'm gonna get canceled before even. It's okay. He got the shirt on too. We'll get the signature down here. Hopefully it'll drop soon. We still need to make the website. These are just samples for me to wear, try it on and all that stuff. But this is it. I like it. Oh, I'm pretty sure he has, I don't know if it's E85. It smells like E85. But yeah, he has race gas in his bike. I smell it. It smells so strong. I'm debating if I should do that for this bike. Because Brent Tuning gave me the race gas map. I just don't know if I'm gonna, if it's worth it, because the problem with E85, yeah, that like it makes more power, but the problem is that like it burns way faster, so you run out of gas so much faster, and I don't know if I want to like deal with having to fill it up more. And also apparently you're not supposed to let it sit for long periods of time, like you're supposed to be riding it more frequently, because when that gas sits, like it messes with the injectors or something like that. We got a nice lineup. We got a V4, an R1, S1000, M1000, M1000 V4R, and the Nürburgring. Big boys are out to play. Oh. What? What the hell? Spit up some race gas or whatever on me. Whole squad is here. I made him stop.
It's on 91.
No way! It smells so strong even on the freeway. That's crazy. He said it's on 91, but because he had race gas before, it smelled like that. That's wild. Oh, it stays kind of like in the bike for so long. Hey! Oh my god. Oh boy. Yeah. Good enough. The R and the M, V4R and the R. I almost called this an R1M. Also, if you guys didn't notice, I replaced my red TST O-rings. They were red, then they were faded.
Whoa, come!
What? Huh? We're trying to have all the BMWs together. Ow. Hold on.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not bad. Yo. Alright, you're good. Back it up. Line up, baby.
That was a nice ride.
Besides all the traffic.
Oh yeah.
Look at this lineup though.
Well, he smacked the mirror.
Him? Like on purpose?
Yeah.
What happened? Why?
I don't know. What were you saying happened? The car was just coming into the lane. I was like, what the fuck?
You just smacked the mirror?
I didn't know. I don't know if the mirror came off or anything. I saw you
Yeah.
smack something. No, her.
Go for it.
Yo, when that car came into our lane and you revved, you shot up. I don't know if it was gas or something, but it came from the exhaust. It got on my arm, on my bike. I think it was gas. It has to be.
I think it's probably gas.
Yeah. It looked like just water out of the exhaust. I was like, yo, what the hell?
Water?
I don't know, just like a liquid. Just shot straight from the exhaust. The lineups. I don't know if you guys noticed too, but I got even more titanium bolts for this bike. All the insides here. Is that just dirt? Yeah, that's just dirt. All the, like, even all the details here, they're all titanium now. These on the other side too, which you can barely even see. But the most important is the tail section. Let me show you. So these right here, titanium nuts, titanium right here, and the really expensive ones that I don't even think they were worth it are those right here, the caliper bolts. Or yeah, because these are really expensive, but you can't see them because it's blue on blue. But oh well, still looks good in my opinion. And yeah, we have decided that clean black tail. Even these are black now. No stickers, just gonna stay clean. I might replace this. I messed up. I thought when I ordered this, it's gonna have like the M logo, kind of like this on the seat. Let me know in the comments if it's gonna be too much, but that's the plan.
So on one of
All right, I'm going this way. You guys stressing me out. Everyone's like,
bro. someone commented, lucky to not get a ticket. And I said, for real, dub officer. This fool thought I said, for real, white officer. And he's calling me racist. I'm like, bro.
That's social media for you.
People are so stupid, it's insane.
Yeah, man, why are you being racist? Yo, you should send him that next.
You'd be like, you're goddamn right.
Starting to get dark. But yeah, I like the squad.
Duck action?
It's a nice group. V2, yeah. With an acro. I'm so happy with the M now because initially this carbon piece, or this one right here, actually not this one, with the tail, they didn't fit right. It was like rubbing right here, so I dremeled it, so now it has like an even hole all the way throughout, which made it sit more flush. Like the pointy part, this was like more this way and this was more to the left. It was bugging my OCD so much, but now it looks much better. The only thing I need fixing is probably the seat, as I said, and then need to replace that tank since it's all scuffed up. I got the carbon cover for it, but I'm either gonna, as I said, paint it white and leave some exposed carbon, or I don't know, I want to do something. I haven't decided yet.
I'm making it around.
He's trying to show off. Gixxer boys. But no, it would be cool actually to get a Gixxer. Turbo Busa. Look at the merge though. Hey.
Hayden said he stood behind me the whole time because the camera was catching all the pops that were coming off my bike. He's like, holy shit.
Yeah, this bike is so loud. It was so packed. I wanted to like switch, but
Jesus Christ.
yo, yo! Did you guys just see that?
That was an almost TC.
Yeah.
That's his boy.
Oh.
That's Kay's boy.
What?
That's your boy.
Who? 2018 ZX10. I love the Nardo Gray. Oh wait, that's a 19 actually. That is like my favorite color on the ZX10. If I ever get a ZX10, it should probably be that. Unless I have a little idea that I'll tell you guys about. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Should I do? I was thinking about getting a ZX10 fully track, no headlights, no nothing, purely for the track. That'd be cool. I never got a ZX10, even though I've always wanted one, because I have an H2. I'm like, why do I need, another Kawi? And it's nothing like too unique or different. I like the older models a little bit better than the newer ones, personally, so I'd probably get a 2019. Woo! Okay, a little too much. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think, if I should do a ZX10 or not. Oh, he's repping the merch. I'm happy with it. I think it came out clean. But yeah, I actually hand drew my logo. Now he's taking it off. Yeah, I'm wearing the same thing but with the white logo and white everything. So nice. What's up? How are you doing?
I'm coming to get a Red Bull, so I'm gonna say hi on my way to the Red Bull.
Alright, I think I'll pause the video here. We're just gonna hang out. If something exciting happens or anything, I'll pick up the video. Maybe we'll film on the way back. It's gonna be dark, but sometimes I'll film extra content. Sometimes you guys enjoy it, so that nitrous bottle though. But yeah, so I'll film probably on the way back. Unless something exciting happens here, then yeah. Appreciate you guys watching. Please drop a like and subscribe. And either bye or be right back. We'll see.
Did you win? We've got it!